Hey, hey, hey! It's Krepsyk, and today we are making taco pizza bread. It's effectively tostadas with bread. I've got two different kinds because I'm going to put some different things on each one. So let's start with your base. We've got onions. There's going to be fresh onions on top, onions in the taco meat, a tomato because you put tomato on tacos, cheese because you put cheese on tacos, olives, refried beans, taco sauce, rotel if you want. I'm not actually going to use rotel, but you can use rotel. Salsa as well, along with obviously lettuce because lettuce goes on taco stuff. I've got some green onions and jalapenos in the freezer. Don't worry, doesn't matter that they're frozen because they'll be warm and delicious when it's all said and done. So I'm going to go ahead, make up some taco meat, and show you what we're doing. Alright, we've got our meat done. I heated up the refried beans on the skillet. I added some salsa to them. That's how I spice up my beans. Some brands you can actually get like salsa or spiced up beans. We've got our tomatoes, onions. Lettuce is not going to go on before we put it in the oven, by the way. You probably just want lettuce as a garnish over the top. Same thing with your tomato. You can do fresh onion before or after the oven, makes no difference. Olives, I'm going to put my olives on so the melty cheese can get in there and do all that. So, I've got some jalapenos and green onion here. That is going to go on a couple of these. I'm going to hit the time lapse and build these and get them in the oven. Alright, now it's time to top these bad boys with cheese, green onion. Could be cheese, green onion, or, well, you're going to have cheese, but it could be green onion or cilantro. That's the word I was looking for. We're going to go with green onion because I always forget to pick up cilantro. So I'm going to cover these with cheese, get them on our baking sheet, put them in the oven at 375 for 10 to 15 minutes. Just depends on how it looks to you. And I'll give you my final thoughts when it comes out. Alright, we are done. The cheese is all melty and delicious. The youngster doesn't want anything on his, so we're going to leave it like this. But I'm going to dress mine up a little bit. A little extra onions there. Maybe some tomatoes. Huh? Some of these didn't chop very well. That's okay. And then, obviously, salsa, some taco sauce. The reason why I'm showing you this is because we did this because we didn't have any tostadas. We had some bread, so we could just put whatever. Obviously, if you have tortillas, you can just make regular tacos. I'm just showing you what you can do if you don't have tortillas and taco shells, things like that. If you have some bread, particularly a stronger bread like ciabatta bread, French bread, Italian bread, stuff like that, like a stronger bread, you could definitely use that. I'm sure if you were in a pinch, you could probably toast some hot dog buns or something like that. Maybe, I don't know. That's totally up to you. But, to be resourceful, here we have some things, and we're going to be resourceful with the taco meat. You can use whatever you want for the taco meat. I use salsa in my refried beans. Anyway, when it comes to your refried beans, you can add salsa. Same thing with your taco meat. You can use whatever you want in taco meat. Onions, no onions. You can put whatever on these. Jalapenos, no jalapenos. Basically, you could put whatever garnish you want on your stuff. I was just showing you that this can be done on whatever bread products you have, and it comes out fantastic. So, in that case, you all have a great day. This was Krepsyk, and I'm getting out of here.